how to set up your Epson WorkForce ES-50 scanner with a MacBook. The first thing is to connect your scanner with the MacBook using the USB cable you get. Now go to your MacBook and open a web browser and type in epson.com/ES50. It will take you to the Epson website where you can see your scanner. Scroll down and look for the drivers and utility combo installer. Click download. Allow download. Open the download. Double click on install Navi. Open. So you will see the installation window. Click accept terms and conditions. If you want, you can send the usage data to Epson, or you can deselect it. So scanner is detected and we have to wait for the complete setup. Setup is complete. Click next. Now we can do a test scanning. I'm going to place a photo. Click next on the screen and press the scan button on the scanner. Scan is transferred. You can check for updates if you want and click next. If you want, you can register your Epson product. And on the next screen you should be able to see your scan item, and if you want, you can just delete it. Close this window. Open Epson Smart Scan app and you should be able to see your scanner here. Now if you want to do the scannings, so let's do one more test. So place a page in the scanner. Click on the scan button. Scan is transferred. Go to your MacBook. Click on the next button. Select save. Give a name to your document. Select if you want a PDF or any other format. You can also make a searchable PDF for this. And then you can select the folder. Click save. Now we can close the app. So this way we can do the setup of this scanner using MacBook. Thanks for watching.